Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make two-way switch in two regulator wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Fan, single pole MCB circuit breaker, ELCB circuit breaker, 2A switch 1, 2A switch 2, regulator 1 and 2. Phase connection to MCB circuit breaker. Phase connection output from MCB to connect ELCB circuit breaker. Neutral connection input to ELCB circuit breaker. Output phase connection from ELCB to connect to a switch 1 common terminal. Phase connection from switch 1 L1 terminal to regulator 1. Phase connection from to a switch 1 L2 terminal to regulator 2. Output connection from regulator 2 to connect switch to L2 terminal. Output connection from regulator 1 to connect switch to L1 terminal. Output connection from switch to common terminal to fan. Neutral connection output from ELCB to connect fan. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.